And 21, we're going to do these via a mixture of inspection and long division with questions C through F requiring long division. Now I'll only demonstrate through to E. Now in the first instance, I can rewrite this as x plus 7 divided by x take 2. Now I'll substitute the x take 2 in for that. Now to even things up, I've got to add 2 to give me the 7 overall, and that will be divided by x take 2. So I can rewrite that as 1 plus a total of 9 over x take 2. Now in this particular case, the quotient is equal to 1 and the remainder is equal to 9, and obviously you can write that as 9 divided by x take 2. Now in the next part, you've got 8x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. Now when I write that one, 8x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1, you only need on the top line 4 lots of 2x plus 1 to give me the 8x. And when I expand that, that's plus 4. So in other words, I needed another 1 to make the 5. So cancel, cancel. That gives me 4 plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 as my remainder. The quotient is equal to 4 and the remainder is equal to 1. I'm going to set up 21C as a long division. It will follow very similarly to the old-fashioned long divisions that you would have known and loved from earlier in your school career. So in this case, the x squared comes down by default. Now I multiply x by x to get the x squared. I then multiply the negative 1 by x, giving me negative x. Subtracting down the page, that gives me 7x, bringing down the negative 17, the negative 17. I then ask myself, what do I multiply x by to get 7x? That will be a plus 7. And then negative 1 by 7 is negative 7. Subtracting down gives me a remainder of negative 10. So I'll write that out fully. Well, that will equal x plus 7 take 10 over x minus 1. The remainder is negative 10. In this instance, the quotient is going to be x plus 7. You'll notice as you set these out, the key to success is neat presentation, working down the page as you go, subtracting and aligning everything, a little like you would have done years ago with your long divisions. Continuing now with D, I've got x plus 2 into 2x squared minus 8x plus 3. First thing I do is to bring down the 2x squared, and I ask myself, what did I multiply x by to get 2x squared? And the answer is 2x. I then multiplied 2 by 2x, which gives me positive 4x. Rule off and work down the page. That gives me minus 12x, bringing down the 3, the plus 3. Next question, what do I multiply x by to get minus 12x? And the answer is minus 12. 2 by that gives me negative 24. Subtracting down, negative 27. So as my answer, 2x squared minus 8x plus 3 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 2x minus 12, as my quotient, minus 27 over x plus 2. Minus 27 is my remainder. So working through part E, we've got x minus 3 into x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. Now I need to multiply x by x squared to get my x cubed up. And then that becomes minus 3x squared. Do the subtraction, that gives me 5x squared minus 3x, bringing that down. Now, what do I multiply x by to get 5x squared? It'll be plus 5x. So 5x squared. Negative 3 by positive 5 is minus 15x. Subtracting down gives me 12x. So that gives me plus 12 there. And in this case, minus 36. Subtracting down a remainder of negative 41. So therefore, x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 divided by x take 3 is going to equal to x squared plus 5x plus 12. My quotient. Take 41 over x take 3, and negative 41 in this instance will be the remainder. Sorry, positive 41 will be my remainder in this instance. Take a while to work through that and have a go at f. In the case of f, it probably divides out without a remainder.